Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nanama Ekuma. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bofrot. In Nigeria they call it puff puff. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. So today's video, I'm going to show you the measuring cups that I use before I go through with you with the ingredients. I normally use this for 1 cup, and this is half cup, this is 1/3, and this is 1/4. So these are my measuring cups that I normally use whenever I'm doing anything at Ame's Corner. So I have my 4 cups of flour, I have 1 cup of white sugar, I have 1 teaspoon and half salt, I have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I have 2 teaspoons of yeast, 1.5 cup of full cream milk, or you can use milk powder, and obviously vegetable oil for deep frying. So before we start, I'm going to mix the yeast with 1 tablespoon of white sugar and put it down for 15 minutes before we can start with our Bofrot. So I'm going to get 1 tablespoon of sugar from the 1 cup into my clear container, and I'm going to add my yeast to it. So I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water and mix it together. So you need to mix it till your sugar dissolves. So we are going to cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. So at this point I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients. So I'm going to mix them properly. After mixing it, you're going to create a hole in it so that you can pour your mixture of the yeast and the sugar together. So our 15 minutes is over. This is how your yeast should look like after 15 minutes it's over. So at this point I'm going to pour it into the middle, then I mix it with it. So my hands are washed. I'm going to mix it with the yeast. So whilst mixing this, you are going to use your milk. So at this point I'm going to add my milk little by little. If you don't have milk, that's okay, you can use your milk powder, that is also good. So now that our Bofrot is ready, we are going to cover it for 50 good minutes. After 50 minutes, it's going to double in size. Then after that, we start with our deep frying. So guys, after 50 minutes, our Bofrot is ready. As you can see, it's double in size. So you just have to remix before you can deep fry it. You remix it for 30 seconds. It's ready to go. How to fry your Bofrot is somehow funny. The manner way you take it and you do it. Okay. Now we scoop it. So this is how it should be, golden brown. Yeah. Yeah guys, finally it's done. Our Bofrot is ready. Normally if I want to drain the oil from the Bofrot, I normally put paper towel in the drainer. It makes it easier to absorb the oil. So guys, our Bofrot is ready. As you can see, it can be served with porridge or you can eat it just like that. So I'm going to open it for you to see the texture in there. Here we go. Very soft inside. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Ahmed's Corner would like to thank our sponsors, Fufufu Market, for always supporting us. We are very, very grateful. You can go on their website at fufufumarket.com to buy and sell your products. They have quality products at affordable prices. You can also download their apps on your Google Play Store and your App Store. Thank you so much for always watching Ahmed's Corner. I'm very grateful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. I'll see you the same time next week. Bye.